Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family. And today, guys, we're heading to the hospital in Nairobi. And I'm just going to share with you, family, why I like this hospital and why this hospital is like a hotel, family. When you enter, it's like you enter into a 5-star hotel. And we just want to actually share this with you, family. So if you decide to come to Nairobi and you want to get yourself attached to an hospital, then this is the right choice for you, family. So it's the Alkaline hospital, and we're heading there now. I'm just waiting for Miss Jam Tours. As you see, family, it's a little bit rainy. It's a rainy day in KE. As you can see, it's a rainy day. It's a rainy day in KE. Yes, I'm just waiting for Miss Jam Tours to come now. Yeah? Yeah, family. So I'm actually waiting on Miss Jam Tours. She's taking her time. As you know, she have to love up and kiss up Amesh before she leave. You know what I mean? So let's go. Miss Jam Tours is here. See, we're late.
Yes, we are.
We're late.
In fact, we're extremely late. Oh, just a minute.
We're late. Yes, I was telling our people that we're heading to Aga Khan. The hospital that is like a 5-star hotel in Nairobi.
I'm telling you. As you find your way in.
Yeah. So I want you to tell them what you like about
It's
this.
cold.
I want you to tell them what you like about this hospital, family. What you experience and
I've even carried my cats.
you're supposed to have everything.
Well, they don't come off these handbags. So let me just confirm. Yeah. Me got everything. Oh, what I like about our 5-star hospital.
Yeah.
Well, the
5-star.
services are top notch.
Yeah.
Services are top notch.
Yes.
You don't wait for long to see the doctor.
Yeah.
And even if you do, you are on the queue.
Yeah.
You'll still be, your turn will still come. Number 3, when you're admitted there, the food is, the food is so nice.
So family, last time I didn't share the maternity experience and giving birth there. So, but this time, family, we're definitely gonna share that with you.
You'll get everything.
You'll get everything about it this time.
You're brought for a menu. It's called a menu.
Yeah,
a menu. You're brought for a menu. So they bring in the morning.
Yeah.
You tick for the whole day.
Yeah.
So there's breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And guess what? Even if in between you starve, like you feel hungry,
Yeah.
you can still call. There's room service.
Yeah, but honestly, sweetie, it's like a 5-star. It's like a hotel. The truth, based on how everything's set up, it is like a hotel.
Because I remember,
and I'm not making a joke.
Yeah, because I remember last time after I delivered, I delivered around 2:15 thereabout. But I had not taken lunch. Any woman that has been in my shoes, you'll understand why.
Yeah.
So I remember asking the doctor after I gave birth, because I felt so hungry. I told him, now that it's not dinner time, will I be given food? And he was like, of course, just call, Actually, you even write down the menu and stuff, so what you want, whatever you want. And even if whatever is on the menu is not what you want, you can write down like your own thing. I want fish cooked in curry, like that. What else do I like about them? The cleaning, of course, the cleanliness is on another level.
Yeah.
The rooms are neat and well organized, in the wards and stuff. Actually, when you're in the ward,
and normally
I didn't even want to go home.
It's like everybody's on the same. You cannot look over somebody, you can see somebody right there in front of you. This time it's private, nobody cannot see you.
Yeah, it's private.
Yeah.
Yeah. And of course now there are rooms, like if you want your own private room, if you want duplex, that is you're sharing 2 people, or 4 people like that. There's no more than 4 people, not like other hospitals you find 6, 8. Yeah, and it's just like a corridor. Even this way there are 4 people, it's just like you are alone, because you won't see your neighbors and stuff.
Yeah, so in general,
there's a whole lot of things to say about Aga Khan, we can't exhaust. I think it's just nice.
So when you come to Kenya, family, and you want to, get connected, but nobody come to that place. You get connected. Aga Khan is the place, family. Okay, family, I'm gonna take you and show you around. So let's go while we drive there.
And the doctors really take their time, especially when you come when it's an emergency thing and stuff.
Yeah.
On my case, it wasn't really emergency as per se, but yeah, they really needed to, do checkups here and there to know why is this happening and all this. It's not like it wasn't something much, yeah. But you could see that they're really taking their time, and they checked on me after every 10 minutes or 20 minutes? After every like 20 minutes, they've left you in a machine. They leave you something for I don't know even these hospital terms, that you just press in case of anything, like and the doctors will come running. Yeah. And even when my labor time reached, I was being told if I was in a regular hospital, they wouldn't have come running.
Yeah.
I would have been asked if I'm the first one.
If you're the first one to give birth.
Are you the first one to give birth? But at that time, I remember, telling them what I'm feeling, and they were there like right on time. It's like they were just waiting. So kudos to Aga Khan. Have I said it all?
Yeah, family. So let's go so we can show you.
It's really cold in Kenya. It's even drizzling. I want to show them outside. Should I do this?
Should you tie your seatbelt or something?
Oh. I have my bell. For once I've entered in the car and I've not tied my seatbelt.
Yeah.
There we are. It's really cold.
It's cold.
This is the one
when it's cold outside.
Yeah, you can see whatever. People are in this kibanda waiting for hot tea.
Yeah, people drinking hot tea.
People are drinking hot tea here.
Kibanda.
This kibanda
make you wonder.
This kibanda is so nice. Why? Because you see above that's a road. We call it bypass. Yeah. So the people under there are so nicely protected, so you don't need a shade, or you don't need a shade and what? Umbrellas, like
yes, let us build it
what is next year and stuff.
Actually can cook from there.
Yeah, and like other kibandas where you need to get your what and not.
So it's a rainy day, the road is wet, you gotta take your time.
Yes, and we are so late, but better late than never, right? Yeah. So we are just going for you told them where we are going, right? Just a regular checkup.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, family.
And
so
the good thing at this hospital, I forgot also, the doctor that you saw from the start, it takes you all along. Takes you throughout the whole pregnancy journey. Not today I go, I find this one, and then I feel, that doctor was nice, and then the next time I'm going after 2 weeks or after a month, I find another one who won't attend to me nicely. Yeah, because in some hospitals that's how it is.
Oh really?
Yeah, today you go, you find this one, next time this one, and it's it's not good to mix. Even teachers, I remember in high school or in school in general,
you can't really learn like
you can't learn like that. Today you have a new mathematics teacher, next time you get another one who doesn't know how to teach well.
Yeah, that's true.
Yes, so apparently the doctor I saw with Hamesh is the same one we are seeing. So she took me nice, and yeah, that's why we are happy.
Yeah, family, so continue watching the vlog, like, share and comment on the video. Let us know your thoughts, let us know everything that you want to know, let us know. So guys,
let us know which hospital can compete with Aga Khan. Yeah.
But that's some of the top hospital in Kenya.
Yeah?
That's some of the top hospitals.
Some of the top hospitals.
Yeah.
Like of course they're private, or they have to be private hospitals. So there's Aga Khan, there's one called Mpisha. Mpisha is on your way to Westlands there. There's which one? Mpisha, Aga Khan, I'm forgetting this one. Oh. Well, there are many, yeah, but there's Karen Hospital.
Oh yeah, Karen.
The Karen Hospital, there's Mata, the Mata Hospital, Nairobi, is it Nairobi Hospital? Nairobi, not Nairobi Women, something of the sort.
Nairobi West.
Nah.
That's a government.
No, Nairobi West is still private, but you know, so private hospitals have different levels depending on under who they are.
Okay.
You know, some hospitals can be private, maybe owned by a person, not really a big thing. Yeah. So yeah, but me, the top I know is Aga Khan and Pisha. Yes.
Hey family, so like, share and comment on the video. Let us know your thoughts. We're going to continue on this journey while we go. Continue. It's rainy. Okay. Should you walk? Let me see. It's like you're walking and limping. Guy, what happened? I was to tell you that you always walk on. You always walk on something. Why? Why you want to use the stairs? Eh? Okay. Yeah, family. So we just finished with the scan, and we're gonna go and eat because Miss Jam Tours says she's very hungry. She's very hungry, family. We're gonna go and eat. There's a restaurant here called Java. It's a very good restaurant that it's a part of the hospital, family. So that's what I tell you, that when this hospital is like a hotel. But I want to go and put down this umbrella and then come back. It's drizzling?
Yeah.
Not really, it's not drizzling.
It is.
Yeah. And this guy walking. Let me go and put this down, sweetie.
I'll help you.
When you want to eat comfortably and stuff. Alright, let's the restroom then.
My thing was falling off. I guess it was loose.
Yeah. Yeah, family. So we actually are at the restaurant, hospital. And Miss Jam was just figuring what to eat. So she don't want nothing complicated. Right?
Yeah.
What do you say you want?
Vegetable sandwich and tea.
Vegetable what?
Sandwich and
Okay.
sandwich.
Vegetable sandwich. Okay. Now that's the one with the avocado?
I don't know what it was called, something. Those sandwiches. Oh, you want food? Me, I don't. I'm going to eat food at home.
Okay.
I just need something to like.
Something light.
To hold my tummy.
Yeah. What?
She's coming.
Who?
This lady here behind me.
Okay.
But today is cold.
Yeah. Hi, hello. What kind of tea you have?
Tea.
Yeah, you have a herbal tea?
Let me find out what herbal tea we have.
Okay.
Herbal tea.
Herbal tea. What you want?
Masala.
Let me take the caramel. Caramel.
It's called
But I want if you have dawa. I'll take a dawa.
There's dawa.
You guys have dawa?
Yes, more dawa.
Okay, let me have a dawa and a sandwich. Avocado sandwich, right?
Is dawa good with me, though?
Huh?
Is the dawa good with me?
Yeah, I feel it's good. I feel it's good for you.
What does it have, sir?
Eh?
What does it have?
Dawa. Ginger and lemon.
Yeah. I think it's
Just give me masala tea.
masala. Okay.
Regular masala tea.
Okay.
Yeah.
And the avocado cheese tomato sandwich.
Yeah.
On brown bread or white?
Brown. Yeah.
And you just
Same. Yeah.
2 2 sandwiches, a dawa, and the masala tea.
That's right. Thank you. Hey family, so Miss Jam Cruise, I want nothing complicated. She don't want to complicate our stuff.
I'm telling you, in my condition, I don't like to complicate things.
Yeah.
You look cold.
Yeah, family, so.
Oh, okay. Finish vlogging, I tell you something.
Yeah, family, so we're just waiting for the food. Let's wait and see what it looks like. Yeah, family, Miss Jam Tour says she want to actually serve me.
Not just not just waiting.
This is like the honey. Yeah, family, this is a popular thing here in Kenya. We call it dawa. And it's a popular thing that it's a common tea with ginger, lemon and honey. It's very good if you have the flu and all of these stuff. It's very good. Yeah? Can you put everything? So you put everything?
The honey is still nice.
Enjoy. Thank you, sweetie. That has milk in it.
Yeah, well, it's like herbal also. It has the masala.
Okay. That's a Kenyan tea, right?
Yeah.
It's a Kenyan tea mixed with.
That I'll take all the way to Jamaica.
We didn't put too much sugar in it.
We just want to.
That sugar is also white. It's not really brown. The darker the sugar is, the better the sugar, family.
Actually, we buy the black one. It looks like next
Yeah,
to black.
that's the best sugar to buy, the black sugar. Yeah, family. So let me enjoy. Let me taste this masala. Miss Jam Tours mix it for me. Dawa. The ginger is burning hot. Wow. When the time is cold, tea is the answer.
Oh, it's nice.
Nice.
It also has that ginger-like thing.
Wow. I think the masala also have ginger too, right?
Yeah, that masala is also herbal.
Wow.
That what is syrup?
Syrup is sugar. Then I don't know. They make it sugar with some
Shot of flavored fruit.
some flavor thing.
Uh,
We used to drink a lot of that in Jamaica. Syrup.
I think most of them.
All the foods that are found in Jamaica, you don't find them here.
Yeah. And I think also in this list, an African will just drink either dawa or this. But most of these syrups and stuff, I think it's just
It's preservative. All these things, fake things that come from these other countries. Yeah. Yeah, family. So if you're not feeling well, you're not feeling good, you feel like your health is depleted, visit veganchoicefoods.com. Get a cleanse, get a detox. The link is in the description, family.
I need to visit Vegan Choice Food.
If you're not feeling well and you're not feeling good, Vegan Choice Foods is the answer, family. It is the answer.
I'll visit Vegan Choice Foods today.
Yeah.
I need some what for my cold.
What you need for your cold?
I don't know. I'm sneezing and coughing.
Yeah, family. So, you know, check your health before you wreck your health.
Today I'm so African. You're not even telling me. Look at my hair.
Yeah.
You don't even tell me it was stupid.
Studio, you don't need your style. You don't need to go to the salon when you're wearing a thing like this.
That's why I'm telling you. You didn't tell me it looks nice.
Yeah, of course it is now.
See, I'm African. African woman. If only these people knew how much I'm starving, that sandwich would have been here already.
Right, it take a little while still.
Oh,
And them have to
just
toast,
like
them have to
15
toast the
minutes.
bread and a lot of
Oh,
stuff.
oh, yeah.
Yeah, family, take a little while. Let's see when it comes.
She won't let you do that. Feeding him. Oh, what? Okay, this sandwich, I can't wait for it.
So you can start. So Miss Jam Tours is super hungry family. Super duper. How it is? Avocado sandwich.
Oh, sorry. Nice.
I see like them always have nice avocado, that's what I like.
Yeah.
Yeah, family, so let me enjoy. Yeah, family. So we finish eat and we're gonna about to head out. Seems like the rain stopped. We also want to go to the market, but I don't think we can make it because of the rain. Because of the rain, family. I don't think we can make it. So we're just gonna head straight home. Straight home.
No, we are going to Saturday.
Oh, we're going to Surrey.
Get figs.
So we're going to Surrey Center family to get figs from Miss Jam Torch. She's craving for figs. So we're going to Surrey Center.
Because I don't want to leave soil.
Surrey Center.
Don't eat sand. But you know that day when I was at home, I was looking at the soil. I'm like,
I was saying to myself, I wonder if you're eating this style.
Guy B.
Yeah.
And then there was one that, you know, this one that they, I don't know how to call them because they're not worms. These ones that build on the tree.
Yeah.
Right? Look at the camera.
Let's follow me and then I'll open.
Yeah. That's what I
This thing not working properly.
Yeah.
Let me carry her on now.
Okay, B. See, I would have waited for you until it was. I would have waited for you.
Whoa!
I'm inside.
We're just looking at the new iPhones.
He's getting Miss Jam to us a new iPhone.
Really? Yes, I'm trying to just check on the new iPhone, what they look like in real life, family. I never really get a chance to see them before. This is what it looks. This is what the 15 Plus. And it's very light, family, as you can see. It's very light. My phone, my 13 Pro is way heavier than this. It's very light. What are you looking? Looking at what? Watch? You want watch? What kind of watch you want? You like this one? Okay. This is the new watch. What does it say? Which series? Series 9. Series 8. Eh? Yeah, a different series. But I like this band. Yeah. This one? It's cute.
Yeah, when I put me on, and then I feel nice. I feel like it's my own.
it feel?
It feels sweet, okay? Like I want to come out with it. Like this.
Yeah.
Look at time now. Okay.
So you like this one or this one? Which one you like better?
Eh?
You like guess or you like apple? Which one?
I know, Trisha, this one is, I don't compare them. They are comparable.
Yeah, this is the iPhone watch. But I really don't want to have so much like EMF, so much wireless thing on my body. It's not so good.
But no, I want,
So I wouldn't
instead
want
of
to.
buying for me another new iPhone, you buy for me this one.
Yeah, I don't have so much EMF on you. So the iPhone 15. Yeah, I want to ask them about the battery. Hi. So these are the new MacBook Pro. This one is which? 20.
This is MacBook Pro 13-inch, 14-inch, and then 16-inch.
And these are what, 2020 or 2022?
22.
22. Okay, that's the last model. So this is a 13-inch. But I like this one because it has this. That's the only reason why I'll choose.
But does it have like the one we have at home?
They are like different. The Pro,
Okay.
I think the 13 Pro is a little bit different from everything else. But I like the touch bar because it's when I'm typing it's easy. But this is what 3,000, 2,000, 1,009. Okay.
You can post by there, right?
Yeah, I need to buy.
Yes. Okay.
This is the
Probably
most
you
I
can have
want
this in
to.
the study room.
Yeah, I need to have this in the study room and stuff. Yeah, and this is like, you know, you don't have, everything is like an all-in-one. So it's very nice. It's like an all-in-one.
This will work until I do.
And I like the mouse is very small. Look at it.
It's so nice.
It's so small. Oh, so this is, which one is this one? This is the mini, Mac Mini with M2 chip.
Which one do you like?
It's an iMac. Also, this one is like a desktop. Yeah, so this is like the
Charger.
no, this is like the
CPU.
CPU. Yeah, the CPU. It's like the CPU.
Oh, that big thing
That big thing. So you see how these things get small now? Yeah.
So this one doesn't have?
No, this one is like an all-in-one. It's inside. Everything is inside. It's like a tablet. It's like a big tablet. Yeah, this is very nice. I'll get this for the house. 2,000 US. Yeah, you'll have this forever, sweetie. I'm telling you. You know what I mean? As I said. Thank you. Yeah.
For researches and stuff.
Mm.
And I know from school and all that.
Yeah.
When they're coming from Noble Gate International
Yeah, family. So, you know, all of these EMF and wireless thing is not good for men. It's actually eat out. Yeah. It's actually eat out your testosterone. So for men who have all of these wireless thing, wireless watch, wireless earbuds, a phone, you know, these things are not so good, family. So you just need to know that. Hey family, so we're actually in LTU and we actually come for the figs family. Come to get the figs. Wait, what is his name? Right name in Kikuyu. Mokoyo?
Yes.
Mokoyo? Where you guys grow this in Kenya? Grow here?
No.
Ah. Because it come from where? The Middle East, right? Where she said come from, sweetie? Oh, it grew in South Africa? Ah. Okay. Yeah, it's not the mug.
She said they have the trees here, but I don't know how they make it.
Ah.
Yeah.
The
They have the tree, but I don't know. They never took that. Right.
Mm.
Oh, no more. Ah.
Much I buy the last time, sweetie? What she said? What she said?
I don't know. I can hear.
How much? What is it? Per grams. Let me have 500 grams.
Say,
And
yes, Safaricom at Westlands there.
there's
It's a
that.
very big tree.
It grow?
It grows, but the problem when it falls down,
Oh,
it drops
guy.
this tree. So,
Guy.
say, in South Africa, you don't know how they pick it so
What?
that it doesn't.
I think you have to pick it and let it dry, sweetie. That's how it is. Guy. Mm.
So that's why we don't have.
I guess they don't know to process it. You need to go and get one of the seedlings. Sweetie, what else we need? We need
Shampoo.
need Brazil nuts. And we also need walnuts.
Love also.
Hmm?
This is my Jamaican thing.
Jamaica. Well, wow. Yeah, fam, this is what? Jamaican what?
Jamaican castor oil, black castor oil.
Jamaican black castor oil. This is good for the hair family. And it's good for for pain and stuff. Let me smell it.
Aye, it smells nice.
Wow.
Blood.
What? They mix it with something. Let me have some let me have 200 grams of Brazil nuts and walnuts. Oh, old, the old, full one, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Ah, this is the header.
Mm. Oh, I think, let me see where it's a manufacturer from here. You see? Yes, you see?
Right.
So it's just a marketing stunt. So it's not really from Jamaica.
All products made in Miami, Florida.
Okay?
But it has Jamaican.
It's just a
name.
marketing stunt. Mm. Okay.
Thank you.
You get a cool seat.
Yes.
Yeah, family. So we're going out now. So tell them something to like, share.
Like, share, comment, subscribe. And when I drive barefoot, Stop telling me I'm driving barefoot. I have my own
All right,
reason.
family. We are out. One love. God bless. Like, share, and comment.
Let me finish my statement. I'll be driving barefoot every day, so long as I'm comfortable. Bye.